What's up, Jimmy? Just let me know when you cancel that one. I'll line the PayPal here. Give everybody a couple minutes to get in here. Said we'd be live at 11 ripping. I got 5 people in here. Where's everybody? Here we go. There's 7. All right. 8. I'll go over a couple of the basics here. So all cards are going to go to the team listed on the card. So like the LeBron James MVP card is going to go to the Cleveland Cavaliers, even though he's currently a Los Angeles Laker. Team USA cards, they will go to their current team if they are active. So Steph Curry is going to go to the Warriors. Durant's going to go to the Nets. If they are retired, they're going to go to their longest tenured team. So like Barkley will go to the Sixers, and Vince Carter will go to the Raptors, that kind of stuff. 2 other issues in this product. So the Sean Kemp Jam Masters card has the Seattle Supersonics listed on the card. That will go to the OKC Thunder. And then there's an Oscar Robertson MVP card that has the Cincinnati Royals listed. That will go to the Sacramento Kings. I'll run over teams in a minute. If you guys have any questions, feel free. I want to give another minute or two for people to get in here. I only have 6 people in here right now. What's up, Erwin? All right, so Hawks, Irwin V, Celtics to be determined, Nets, Amber H, Hornets, Josh S, Bulls, Brandon K, Cavs, Jose R, Mavs, Fernando B, Nuggets, Clifton J, Pistons, Ethan H, Warriors, Brian V, Rockets, Kayla K, Pacers, Ryan P, Clippers, Scott K, Lakers, William C, Grizz, Elliot O, Heat, James P, Bucks, Daniel J, T-Wolves, Scott P, Pelicans, Matt H, Knicks, Clifton J, OKC, Matt H, Magic, Clifton J, 76ers, Clifton J, Suns, Clifton J, Blazers, Clifton J, Kings, Brian V, Spurs, Timothy M, Raptors, Dan T, Utah Jazz, David B, and Washington Wizards are David B. So the Boston Celtics went unpaid for, so we had to cancel the order. If anybody's interested in purchasing them, if you're in, they went for 31. So if you're in the break now, I'll give them to you for 25, and then just throw them in with the package that you paid for. If you're not in the break, it'll be 30 to pay for shipping. So if anybody's interested, Jimmy, if you want to just put that in the comments too, that the Celtics are for sale, 25 if you're in the break, and 30 if you're not in the break. And then we're going to get rolling here because we got a lot of stuff to open. So this is what we're rolling with tonight. We have 2 sealed boxes of 2019-2020 Panini Mosaic Cello packs. In this box, there is 12 packs per box. In each pack is going to be 3 separate packs. We have the packs are going to contain 2 kind of base packs that will have that will have 6 cards in it. We're looking for silvers. That's where like the autos can hide, Genesis, that kind of stuff. And then there's going to be a pink camo pack that's going to have 3 pink camo parallels. That's where we're looking for our big time rookies and studs, that kind of stuff. So that is it. That is the goods. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get all these out of the packs or the first box, all of them out of the Cello packs because they're big and they're bulky, and then we will start ripping. Empty box. JJ, you got it. I one-lined the PayPal up top. Just let me know when you paid. Are you in? You're in the break, right, JJ? If you're in the break, 25, and then we're good to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your call if you want to do friends and family or goods and services. Doesn't really matter to me, to be honest with you. Hopefully this stuff stays hot for us. We've pulled some absolute fire out of here the last couple of weeks. The last break we pulled a true silver jaw. We actually pulled a pink jaw too. Grizzlies absolutely smashed last time, so I feel like we might be due for some Zion, hopefully. So JJ, you're listed as Clifton on my list. So yeah, just let me know when it's paid for, man, and then I'll update my list. The Celtics will be yours. All right, let's put these up here. There we go. All right, we got 14 people in here now. Everybody's running a little late, huh? We got basketball back, everybody. Basketball is back. My Sixers got TJ Warren, a 55 piece, I think, from TJ Warren. Unreal. Clifton, so if you scroll up, the PayPal information's at the top of the feed. If you want to just send it over PayPal, that would be good. All right, we'll do a quick count. We'll get rolling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 base packs there, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 base packs there, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12 pink camos. Good luck, everybody. Let's do as well as we've been doing. Anybody getting any of the Chronicle stuff? I'll tell you what, seeing that kind of stuff ripped is going to make me miss this stuff. Chris Paul, OKC, Elfrid Payton, Knicks, Mike Conley, Jazz, Kevin Durant, Nets. We got a Jam Masters Silver Mosaic of Shawn Kemp, Seattle Supersonics. That will go to the OKC Thunder. And there's your first Boston Celtic, Tremont Waters base rookie. OKC with the old Shawn Kemp Jam Masters. Devin Booker, Suns. Malcolm Brogdon, Pacers. Chris Middleton, Bucks. We got a green Taurean Prince, Brooklyn Nets. Old school Dennis Rodman to the Bulls. And a Julius Erving, Hall of Fame, Philadelphia 76ers. Not a good pack. Willie Cauley-Stein, Golden State. Dario Saric, Suns. De'Aaron Fox, Kings. We've got a green, DeMar DeRozan going to the Spurs. Jam Masters, Anthony Davis going to go to the Lakers. And NBA debut, PJ Washington, Charlotte Hornets. If you guys are new, I'll sleeve any rookie for now. I'll sleeve and top load any of the higher tier rookies on the spot. But all this stuff will get sleeved and top loaded when it comes out to you guys, especially rookies and any decent color we pull. Drew Holiday, Pelicans. Terrence Ferguson, Thunder. Sweet Lou Williams, Clippers. Rudy Gay, Spurs. We have a will to win, CJ McCollum going to the Trailblazers, and a Darius Bazley, OKC Thunder. OKC again. Rajon Rondo, Lakers. Daniel House Jr., Rockets. Derrick Rose, Pistons. Green, Jamal Murray, Denver Nuggets. We have a will to win, Paul George, Clippers. And a Sir Charles Barkley, Philadelphia 76ers, Hall of Fame. We need some rookie color, man. That wasn't a good start at all. Malik Monk, Hornets. J. Rich, 76ers. Carmelo, Blazers. Miles Bridges, Hornets. We have a Jimmy Buckets, Miami Heat, give and go. And then we have Rui. All right, our first Rui Hachimura going to the Washington Wizards. All right, that's our first, any type of decentness. All right, Rui. PJ Tucker, the nasty print line. Hopefully that's the only one in here. Houston Rockets, Paul Millsap, Nuggets, KCP, Lakers, Green, Vince Carter, Team USA. It's a nice card for the Toronto Raptors. T-Mac, Rockets, and Vince Carter again, also going to the Toronto Raptors. So far, Josh, you had a PJ NBA debut. We're only about 5 packs in, though. Nice card, Raptors. You know that Vince Carter almost spent as much time with the Hawks as he did the Raptors. I think he was Raptors 5 years, Hawks 4 years. DeAndre Ayton, Suns. Miles Turner, Pacers. Brent Forbes, Spurs. Dorian Finney-Smith, Mavericks. True Silver. Mfiondu Kabengele going to the LA Clippers. Nice card. And a Jarrett Culver, Minnesota T-Wolves. Culver base, Timberwolves. And True Silver Hollow of Mfiondu, LA Clippers. Nice card, clip. Unfortunately, that's going to have to go into the stand for now. Hopefully we can take them down once we pull some bigger cards. Danilo Gallinari, Thunder. Bobby Portis, Knicks. Nikola Vukovic, Magic. We have a silver rookie, Darius Bazley, silver mosaic, going to the Thunder again. There's our first LeBron, going to the Lakers, and Wilt the Stilt. That will go to the Philadelphia 76ers, the team listed on the card, MVP. So what's everybody think about the startup? I actually liked the fact that they didn't have like the cardboard cutouts in the stands like baseball was doing. Had that kind of like the video stuff above the team or the coaches and the players. Russell Westbrook, Rockets. Jeremy Grant, Nuggets. We have a blue fluorescent, everybody. A blue fluorescent. Jason Tatum going to the Celtics. Patty Mills. Oh, tell me. Anthony Davis, big card, Lakers. I saw the S and purple for the Lakers. It's a big card, though. AD, blue fluorescent, number 4 out of 15. Solid card. I really thought that was going to be LeBron, though. Very nice. Lakers, congrats. That's a nice little hit there. I saw the purple and I saw the S. I really thought that was going to be our boy there. It's a nice card nonetheless, though. Garland, Cavs. Those blue fluorescents are really good looking cards. Tell you what, I'm really going to miss this stuff. It's starting to dry up and it's getting pricey. Kelly Olynyk, Heat. Thad Young, Bulls. Eric Bledsoe, Bucks. Green rookie, Matisse, Philadelphia 76ers. Nice card. A green Thibault. We have a Kawhi got game going to the Clippers and a Dominique Wilkins Hall of Fame that will go to the Atlanta Hawks. Green Matisse. All right, box is starting to heat up a little bit. '76ers. They got to figure out a better way to use him, man. I feel like he can be a stud. He's got to get his offensive game right, though. Aldridge, Spurs. Isaiah Thomas, Wizards. Royce O'Neal, Utah Jazz. Kyrie Irving, Nets. True Silver, DJ Augustine going to the Magic. We have a rookie. Nice. First, Zion base going to the Pelicans. This has been a decent first half. All right, it's a start, Pelicans. I know we need a lot more than that, but this card is starting to climb too. It was at like $45 like 2 weeks ago. It's been shooting up pretty steady, and it'll only continue to shoot up as the price of these boxes goes up. Justice Winslow, Miami Heat. Jordan Clarkson, Jazz. Karl Anthony Towns, T-Wolves. Green rookie, Tyler Hero. Nice card going to the Miami Heat. Green Mosaic. We had a rookie Rubio going to the Phoenix Suns, and KD to the Nets. 63, yeah, it's not too bad. I'm telling you, I saw it at like $45 a couple weeks ago when everybody thought that this stuff wasn't short printed like they originally thought, but this stuff has, honestly, it's doubled in price in the last 3 weeks. All the Mosaic has doubled, so you will see the card start to climb too. I wouldn't be surprised if that card, the Zion, is $80 by the end of next week, if they let him play, I should say. They're really kind of pissing me off the way they're using them. Sabonis going to the Pacers. Josh Okogie, T-Wolves. Bogdanovich, Kings. Lauri Markkanen, Bulls. Silver, Jimmy Buckets, Miami Heat. And then Nicola Melli going to the Pelicans. Yeah, I saw a couple people lining them in a couple of the groups that I'm in for $70. So not too bad. Duncan Robinson, Heat. Otto Porter Jr., Bulls. Hassan Whiteside, Blazers. Silver, Thad Young. So that's a silver Mosaic going to the Bulls. We have another Got Game, same card as the other one, but this one isn't blue. Going to the Lake Show, and first LeBron MVP, Cleveland Cavaliers. I would think the AD is probably at least $100 if I had to guess. Very short print, man. 15. That's a nice pull. We've probably opened about 15, 20 of these boxes. I think I've only seen 3 or 4 blue fluorescents, and the last one was Royce O'Neal. Will Barton, Nuggets. Marcus Smart going to the Celtics. Spider going to the Jazz. Steph Curry going to the Warriors. We have an old school Pistol Pete going to the Celtics in this one. Pistol Pete. And then Brandon Clark. First Grizzlies sighting. Brandon Clark going to the Memphis Grizzlies. The undervalued Brandon Clark. I think he's going to end up being a stud. Colin Sexton, Cavs. George Hill, Bucks. Luke Kennard, Pistons. We got a green Pascal Siakam. It's a nice card going to the Raptors again. Tim Duncan, old school Spurs, and a Nikola Melli Hall of Fame that will, or I'm sorry, NBA debut that will go to the New Orleans Pelicans. Trey, second-year base, going to the Atlanta Hawks. And as Cantor, Celtics. Karis LeVert, Nets. Fred VanVleet, Raptors. Another Sean Kemp, Jam Masters, going to OKC. And there's PJ number 2 for you. PJ Washington base. That is going to the Charlotte Hornets. Never seen a blue fluorescent and a Genesis in the same box, so maybe we could make it a first time here. Kenrich Williams, that'll go to the Pelicans. Shai Gilgeous-Alexander, Thunder. Dame Lillard, Blazers, green rookie. Jarrett Culver, Minnesota Timberwolves. Nice card, T-Wolves. We have a Got Game, Kyrie Irving, and a Jackson Hayes. That will go to the New Orleans Pelicans NBA debut. Nice Culver, T-Wolves. At least we pulled some rookie color out of here. Started off slow, but we are picking up steam. Myers Leonard, Heat. Kelly Oubre Jr., Suns. Joe Ingles, Jazz. Jarrett Allen, Nets. Silver, Langston Galloway, Detroit Pistons. And we have Carson Edwards, base rookie, Boston Celtics. Carson Edwards. Ben Simmons, 76ers. Wendell Carter Jr., Bulls. Jeff Teague, T-Wolves. Green, Rashawn Holmes, Kings. Jam Masters, Terrence Ross, going to the Magic. And we have Atako Fall, Boston Celtics again. Taco. TJ Warren, 55. Mr. 55, TJ Warren. Jake Layman, T-Wolves. AD, Lakers. Giannis going to the Bucks. We got a silver. Anthony Davis again. There's a lot of Anthony Davis color in here. And then Tyler Hero going to the Miami Heat. Tyler Hero base. Heat. And we had an AD silver mosaic Got Game. I'll tell you what, I bet if they win the chip this year, I bet you he climbs a lot too, price-wise. He doesn't get a whole lot of love because of the injuries. Kelly Olynyk, Heat. Thad Young, Bulls. DJ Augustine, Magic. Derek Favors, Pelicans. Another LeBron. LeBron number 2. Well, LeBron number 2 to the Lakers, I should say. And then John Stockton, Hall of Fame, Utah Jazz. The GOAT. Keep calling for it, Dan. I've seen some crazy stuff in here the last couple weeks, right? Whenever anybody needed their card, they'd call it and it would come out. Like, I wouldn't be surprised if that's a Giannis hiding back there now. Aldridge, Spurs. Isaiah Thomas, Wizards. Jaylen Brown, Celtics. Langston Galloway, Pistons. Will to win, Green. Blake Griffin also going to the Pistons. And then we have another Matisse. Another Matisse going to the Philadelphia 76ers. Matisse number 2. All right, pink camo. Let's get some salvage. If you didn't hit in that first set of base packs, this is a lot of times where we get most of our money back anyway. Pull some of the nice color out of here. Kyrie, Nets. J. Rich, 76ers. Jordan Poole going to the Golden State Warriors. Jordan Poole, NBA debut. Mr. Coronavirus himself, Rudy Gobert, Jazz. Oh, we have an upside down PJ Tucker. Why? And then Kobe. Nice. Kobe White. Pink camo, NBA debut. Going to the Chicago Bulls. First Kobe White sighting. I don't know why they slipped this in an upside down PJ Tucker. All right, nice. Keep it going. Anthony Simons, Blazers. Kenrick Williams, Pelicans. We got a rookie, Admiral Schofield, going to the Wizards. Clay, Warriors. Another upside down. They're really messing with our run again. They did this in the last box, too. Luckily, it was a monster box. We got a rookie, Terrence Mann, Clippers. That is not the rookie we're looking for there. DeLon Wright, we got a blocker in the back. DeLon Wright, Mavs. Upside down, Miles Turner. And Kyle Guy, Sacramento Kings. Blake Griffin, Pistons. Upside down, DeAndre Ayton going to the Suns, and Oscar Robertson. That's that card I was talking about earlier. That will go to the Sacramento Kings. At some point a long time ago, the Royals turned into the Sacramento Kings along the way. Frank Ntilikina, Knicks, Bam, Heat, and D-Wade. That will go to the Miami Heat. All right, come on, we need a better name in here. Damian Jones, Hawks. John Collins, also to the Hawks. Rookie, Goga Batazzi, Pacers. Goga. Aaron Holiday, Pacers. Lonzo, Pelicans. and a Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, LA Lakers. Yikes. All right, what do we got? We got 3 left. We need a big one here. We need a big one. Marc Gasol, Raptors. Paul George, Clippers. We got a rookie, Eric Paschall, second Golden State Warrior of the Pink Packs. Golden State Warriors. Eric Paschall. Serge Ibaka, Raptors. Colin Sexton, Cavs. There you go. Kendrick Nunn, Miami Heat, NBA debut. It's not bad. Kendrick Nunn. And last pack. Good luck. Damian Lillard, Blazers, Kelly Olynyk, Heat, and back-to-back Miami Heat. Tyler Hero, Pink, NBA debut. Heat had a decent little box there. Not the worst, certainly not the best. Couple decent cards in there, but I definitely think we can do better in this second box. Oy. Sealed. Sealed, 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 sealed. Let me remove these back, give ourselves some more room here. I do have a couple more of these guys. If you guys are interested, we might try to line one of these in the group to see if we can start filling some stuff through the group. So let me know in the comments if it's something that would interest you. It would be either something like 25 a spot for a random team, or it would be 75 for a tiered random, so you get 3 random teams. One of them will guaranteed be a top 10 team, or we could do 15 spots at 50 apiece too. But let me know if it's something that you guys would be interested in. It gives you a shot to get one of the bigger squads for not an arm and a leg, so you don't have to pay like $200 or $300 to get a chance at a Zion or a Ja. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, do the same thing here. We will get them all out, and then we will get rolling. I mean, in all honesty, that's usually how I get in breaks. I mean, you get smoked a lot of the times getting a bad team, but I mean, there's no better feeling than pulling the Pelicans, the Grizzlies, or the Lakers for $25 in a whole box of this stuff, you know. So I got a couple left. I got a couple more coming in too. So we'll see. Maybe I'll line one up maybe Monday. See how it goes. See what kind of interest we get. Me too, Dan. It's tough to pay for the teams in any of these, man. It's very expensive. And I mean, I get the gamble, right? Like we pulled a true silver Ja in the last break, and a pink. So like the dude probably pulled what, $600 worth of cards easy from the Memphis spot. But I mean, sometimes they're just not in there, you know. Hopefully they are in here now, so we didn't see any Ja in the last box. So, JJ, it would be 25 a spot for a random squad. So you would pay 25 bucks. I mean, you can get as many as you want. If you bought 4, you'd get 4 random teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's fix these up a little bit. All right, good luck. Let's do a little better. Let's get some Grizzlies magic, some Knicks magic, some Bucks magic. Malik Monk, Hornets. Jay Rich, 76ers. Jared Allen going to the Nets. PJ Tucker, not the silver we're looking for. Houston. We have Pete Maravich and Kendrick Nunn going to the Miami Heat again. John Collins going to the Hawks. Bam Adebayo, Heat. Kawhi Leonard, Clippers. Rodney Hood, Blazers. We have Kyrie, a green Kyrie got game going to the Nets. And Luka Samanic going to the San Antonio Spurs. That's the first Spurs rookie sighting, right? They got a couple in here. Green Kyrie got game will go to the Brooklyn Nets. Little cheap team mojo. Hey Zeus, I'll put a post about it. So just keep your eyes peeled. I'll post exactly what you'd have to do, where you would pay and that kind of stuff. Paul George, Clippers. Lonzo Ball, Pelicans. Norman Powell, Raptors. Green, Joe Harris going to the Nets. Jam Master Spud Webb going to the Hawks. And Magic Johnson going to the Lakers. Not a good pack. PJ Tucker, Houston. Paul Millsap, Nuggets. Andre Drummond, Pistons. Dwight Powell, Mavericks. Jam Master Silver, Aaron Gordon going to the Orlando Magic. And Kai Bowman going to the Golden State Warriors. All right, so this box is starting like last one, just a little slow. Gotta pick it up a little bit. Yeah, so Aaron, if we do a tiered, we would random it twice. So we would random the top 10 to the designated numbers. So you'd be guaranteed a team in the top 10, and then you would get 2 other teams that are outside of the top 10. Will Barton, Nuggets. Marcus Smart, Celtics. There's another Giannis base for you going to the Bucks. Eric Gordon, Green, Rockets. Blake Griffin, will to win going to the Detroit Pistons, and Brandon Clark, NBA debut. Wrong Grizzly, but going to the Grizzlies nonetheless. Come on. This pack does not want to open. Colin Sexton, Cavs. George Hill, Bucks. DJ Augustine, Magic. Jaylen Brown going to the Celtics. James Harden, give and go, Rockets. And an Ignas Brazdeikis going to the New York Knicks. Yikes. Domantas Sabonis, Pacers. Josh Okogie, T-Wolves. Patty Mills, Spurs. Green, Dwight Powell, Dallas Mavericks. Old School, Moses Malone, 76ers. And a Larry Legend, Larry Bird, Hall of Fame, Boston Celtics. This has been a bad run so far. I need to juice it up a little here. Duncan Robinson, Heat. Otto Porter Jr., Bulls. Jeff Teague, T-Wolves. Anthony Davis, Lakers. Jam Masters, T-Mac going to the Raptors again. Raptors fit a couple nice cards. And there's Spur number 2, Keldon Johnson, base rookie, San Antonio Spurs. Trae Young, second year base number 2. Enes Kanter, Celtics, Langston Galloway, Pistons, green rookie, KPJ. That's a nice card, the Cavs. Kevin Porter Jr., green, going to the Cleveland Cavaliers. We have a Got Game, Kawhi, Clippers, and a Patrick Ewing, Hall of Fame, New York Knicks. It's the first card I've top-loaded in 9 packs. It's unacceptable. All right, so maybe we'll fire up a little bit here. Oh, 1 second. All right. Rajon Rondo, Lakers. Daniel House Jr., Rockets. Damian Lillard, Blazers. Joe Ingles, Jazz. Rodney Hood, silver, going to the Blazers. Quintary Weatherspoon, Spurs. I'm laughing at you. That's a weird way to spell PJ Washington. Oh, man, that's funny. Quintary Weatherspoon. This is a Spurs base rookie box. So. DeAndre Ayton, Suns. Miles Turner, Pacers. Joe Harris, Nets. Green, John Wall. We're getting smoked in the color in this box. Wizards, Ben Simmons will win 76ers. And all right, there you go. There's a Giannis. There's a few bucks at least. Giannis MVP going to the Milwaukee Bucks. Maybe we'll find that in color. Giannis. Danilo Gallinari, Thunder. Bobby Portis going to the Knicks. Pat Beverly, Clippers. Dejounte Murray, Spurs. Bradley Beal going to the Wizards. We got a rookie, Nas Little, going to the Blazers. All right, half the box down. 2 top-loaded cards. Not good. LMA, Spurs, Isaiah Thomas, Wizards, Derek White, Spurs, Pat Beverly, green, God, Clippers, Giannis, there you go, another Giannis going to the Bucks, and Jordan Poole, NBA debut, Golden State Warriors. We'll nickel and dime you some Giannis. Nickel and dime, right? Kenrick Williams, Pelicans. Shai Gilgeous, Thunder. Andrew Wiggins, T-Wolves. Rashawn Holmes going to the Kings. Drew Holiday, Pelicans. Rookie, Goga. Goga number 2. Goga to the Pacers. Oh, yeah. Oh, I ruined this pack for you. Hawks. All right, Russell Westbrook, Rockets. Jeremy Grant, Nuggets. Jabari Parker, Hawks. Green, Larry Legend, going to the Celtics. Cat, Got Game, T-Wolves, and a Cam Reddish NBA debut, Atlanta Hawks. All right, Ben Simmons, 76ers, Wendell Carter Jr., Bulls, Devontae Graham, Hornets, Marvin Bagley III, Kings, a silver, there you go, Bucks, a silver Brook Lopez, just what you were looking for. This box is awful. Bucks and Cam Johnson, Phoenix Suns. Cam Johnson to the Suns. All right, TJ Warren, Pacers. Jake Layman, T-Wolves, Markieff Morris, Pistons. We got a silver rookie, Tremont Waters. Nice card of the Celtics. Silver Mosaic, Tremont. We have an old school AI, 76ers, and a Pistol Pete. This one will go to the Atlanta Hawks. Kelly Olynyk, Miami Heat. Thad Young, Bulls. Draymond Green, Warriors. Dwight Howard, Lakers. Jam Master, Zach LaVine, Chicago Bulls. And there goes a base Cam Reddish for the Atlanta Hawks. We haven't seen a single color rookie in this box. Oh, no, maybe we did. Maybe we got Kevin Porter Jr. out of this box. Drew Holiday, Pelicans. Terrence Ferguson, Thunder. Dorian Finney-Smith, Mavericks. Big card. LA Lakers. LeBron James, silver Mosaic. That's nice. Joel Embiid, 76ers. And Karl Malone, Team USA. That's a big card for the Lakers. Nice. The Lakers strike again. Nice. Pink Kobe, you're coming down. Nice card, Lake Show. Oy. Yikes. Alrighty. Justice Winslow, Miami Heat. Jordan Clarkson, Utah Jazz. Nikola Vukovic, Magic. Jason Tatum, third-year base going to the Celtics. Kawhi, got game, going to the Clippers. And a Kevin Porter Jr. base. Another nice card going to the Cavs. Alright, let's get what do we got? Like 4 or 5 left. Let's get 2 more big ones. James Harden, Rockets. Nikola Jokic, Nuggets. Terrence Ross, Magic. Green, Tyus Jones, Grizzlies. Jam Masters, Clyde Drexler, Blazers. And a Hall of Fame Shaquille O'Neal, LA Lakers. Devin Booker, Suns. Malcolm Brogdon, Pacers. Triple J, he had a monster game the other day. Memphis Grizzlies. Bojan Bogdanovic, going to the Jazz. And a green now, LeBron James. Give and go green, LeBron. And there's your Nick Claxton. You've hit all 4 rookies in this box. Going to the the Nets. What am I saying? Nice card. Every time I see Nick Claxton in that jersey, I think the Spurs for whatever reason. Nice card. Going to the Lakers again. And Nick Claxton to the Nets. All right, 2 packs left. CP3, Thunder. Alfred Payton, Knicks. D'Angelo Russell, Warriors. We have a green Karl Malone, Utah Jazz. Pascal Siakam, will to win. And there's another Rui, NBA debut, Washington Wizards. I'll tell you what, OKC, I think they smashed the Jazz today. Granted, the Jazz playing their second game in 3 days, but OKC have been playing well before the virus hit too, so it's not a bad pick there. Willie Cauley-Stein, Warriors. Dario Saric, Suns. KCP, Lakers. Bryn Forbes, Spurs. Green rookie, NBA debut, Jackson Hayes for the Pelicans. And then a Nickeil Alexander-Walker that will also go to the New Orleans Pelicans. Alright, we need a super salvage in these pink camos here. We need to see a couple of the big names because that was not good enough. Kyle Kuzma, Lakers. PJ Tucker, Rockets. We have Darius Garland going to the Cavs. DeAndre Bembry, Hawks. Paul George, Clippers. And Jarrett Culver, Minnesota Timberwolves. Marcus Morris, New York Knicks. Lonzo, Pelicans. And Wilt Chamberlain, Philadelphia 76ers. Alright, come on. Somebody give me a name. Who are you looking for here? See if we can hit it. Bruce Brown, Pistons. Will Barton, Nuggets. We got a rookie. Goga again. Goga Batazzi. Pink camo. Indiana Pacers. De'Aaron Fox, Kings. Gallinari, Thunder, and pink Matisse Thybulle, 76ers. Pink Matisse. Oh, sorry for ruining that. Pellies. Sweet Lou Williams, Clippers, Bobby Portis, and a Jackson Hayes NBA debut, New Orleans Pelicans. Chris Middleton, Bucks. Paul Millsap, Nuggets. And a Taco Fall NBA debut, Boston Celtics. Mike Conley, Utah Jazz. Ayton, Suns. Oh, there you go. Pink Hero Base this time, going to the Miami Heat. It's a nice card. Miami Heat are doing all right. All right. Terry Rozier, Hornets. Colin Sexton, Cavs. Eric Paschall, again, for the Golden State Warriors. Chris Middleton's actually a good basketball player, but he's got no following in the hobby, that's for sure. C.J. McCollum, Blazers. Marcus Smart going to the Celtics, and another Dwayne Wade going to the Miami Heat. Kyle Lowry, Raptors. George Hill, Bucks, and Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, Lakers. Oh, yeah, that's a bad last card. All right, KD, nice card there to the Nets. Miles Turner going to the Pacers, and John Stockton, Utah Jazz. That box was not good. They certainly were not as good as the last couple that we've had in here. A couple nice hits, but fortunately, it's what happens with this stuff sometimes, man. It's so overpriced that, like, sometimes you can smash, sometimes you don't. Let me do a quick recap here. KD, Nets, Hero, Heat, Pink Camo, Goga, Pacers, Jarrett Culver, T-Wolves, Pink, Jackson Hayes, True Silver, going to the Pelicans, NBA debut, Mufando, True Silver, going to the Clippers, NBA or base. KPJ, base, Cavs, Kobe White, Pink Camo, NBA debut, Bulls, Cam Reddish, base, Hawks, Tremont Waters, Silver Mosaic, going to the Celtics, Giannis will to win, Bucks, Giannis MVP, Bucks, Tyler Hero, Pink, NBA debut, Heat, Nunn, NBA debut, Heat, Pink, LeBron James, give and go, base, Anthony Davis, Silver, got game, Tyler Hero, base, Heat, Jarrett Culver, green, T-Wolves, PJ Washington, base, Brandon Clark, base, Grizz, LeBron to the Cavs, MVP, Matisse, green, 76ers, Baisley, silver, Thunder, LeBron will to win, base, Lakers, Rui, base, Wiz, we had a LeBron green give and go, Lakers, KPJ, green, going to the Cavaliers, we had a Hero, green, going to the Heat. We had a Zion base going to the Pelicans. We had a LeBron silver mosaic going to the Lakers. And then we had an Anthony Davis blue fluorescent numbered 4 out of 15 got game insert going to the LA Lakers. If you're new here, unfamiliar, when I sort and stuff, I go through, see who hit what. I mean, if you didn't hit any of the guy that you were looking for, we kind of do our best to try to figure some of that out. Unfortunately, it is the nature of the beast sometimes. Sometimes this stuff's hit or miss. But we do what we can, right? And like I said, keep an eye out. We'll line a box of this in the next couple days, and try to run some of this stuff through the group. So might not be as expensive to get some of the bigger teams, especially when we do it by random. So what's today? Saturday. This stuff will be out by Tuesday at the latest, I would think. Everything's usually out within 3 business days here. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We'll be running some baseball, maybe some football soon too. So keep your eyes peeled. I'll usually post in the group before the auction start ending on eBay to give you guys kind of a heads up. But like I said, if you have any questions, reach out. Yeah, that's it. Thanks, guys.